Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Hotbeautyhair. It is a 13x6 HD lace front wig. It is 180 density, it's 18 inches, and it is their silky straight hair. I am going to be showing you guys how to do the install from start to finish. It also has an adjustable elastic band that you can choose to wear if you feel like it. If you don't, you do not have to, but you do have that option. Here is how you place it in. It has two hooks on the inside where you can adjust the tightness of it. So my model is already prepped. She already has her cap on, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to slip the wig on, and then we're going to get started. Of course, you know you should be cleaning your client's hairline with alcohol, so that is what I'm doing here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start applying our Beauty Bond. This is my lace glue, which is available for you guys to purchase. It's amazing. It has a great hold. And in this video, you know exactly how to apply it. So I'm applying it right now. I'm going to be doing 3 layers. This is our first layer. You want to make sure that the glue is completely dry before you apply the next layer. So I actually thought I was recording the last layer, but I guess I wasn't, but that's okay. So you see how this is completely clear? Now you want to go ahead and you want to apply your lace. So I did have to tint the lace so that it could match her skin tone better. But other than that, I really did like the lace. It blended pretty well. It was a brown color already when it came. So I just made it a little bit more to her complexion. I just want to say this about tinting lace, whether you use concealer or you actually use a lace tint. Sometimes you may have a client where not one specific color may match and you have to mix two colors together because they don't, you can't find one shade that really matches. So you can play around with it. You can cocktail or concealers together. That's what I do a lot of times because some people's undertones are more orange and, some people's are more brown. So you just want to make it, how can I say, special or, to fit that particular person that you're dealing with. So you may have two light-skinned people, but they have two total different undertones. So when the concealer shows up on the lace, it can make it look orange or it can make it look, another color. So you can always do like a sample on your client's hand to see which color best fits for their skin complexion. So I'm basically done with the technical part of the install, so you guys can continue watching. I'm not going to be doing any more commentary. I'm going to be doing the baby hairs and I'm going to be doing the styling of it. It's just going to be straight. But you guys can watch so you guys can see the final product because it came out so bomb. Here we go, guys. This is our finished product. I'm going to leave all the information for Hot Beauty Hair in the description box, as well as all of the direct links for this particular wig. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow them also on Instagram as well. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do not hesitate to click the notification bell so you guys can know when I have uploaded my next video. And I appreciate you guys. Stay safe all the time. Wash your hands, wear your mask, and I'll see you guys later.